Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today it's going to be a real quick video. I got a couple fly traps. We got flies like crazy this year. So I got a couple fly traps. I want to do a little side-by-side comparison, see which one works better, if they work at all. So I'll show them to you guys real fast. I'll set them up. I got to go to town for a few hours. I'll come back and we'll see who the winner is. I would like to do this over a few days, but I got a short amount of time to do a video on this, so I just want to do it for you guys over a few hours. So let me show you guys this. Now I got one of these where I got this like Tractor Supply, like $6. And you can make these out of pop bottles. This is what this is, a recycled pop bottle. I just came across, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. It's just got the lid, it's got a little opening. You close to shake this stuff up, open it up, flies go in and get trapped. It came with some bait. You fill it up to this water right here, shake it up, get it all mixed up, and then set it up. And now the other trap is just a traditional one that you hang up as a sticky trap. I'll hang it up side by side and we'll see which one wins. Oh, before I forget too, if you guys been seeing this sign in any of my videos, Keeping It Dutch sign, made out of cedar wood, my buddy Ben from Daddy's Life made this awesome sign for me. This thing is quality. It's thick, heavy. I think he even used one as an oar in his boat video. So you guys checked it out. His video of him, I think he was going to set trout lines and he forgot his paddle and he had one of these in there and he was using it. Really heavy duty. Cool looking sign. Thanks a lot, Ben. Guys, if you get a chance, go check out Daddy's Life. I'll put a little iCard up there for you guys. He's been trying to put a lot of videos out himself. He's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers also, just like my buddy Taylor from Pure Living for Outdoors. But go check out Ben. He's also doing, if you guys would like one of these signs, I think he's giving a bunch of these away. So go check him out. Tell him you guys want a sign and that Dutch sent you over there. And I think you can hook up quite a few YouTubers with cool signs like that. I'm gonna put this in there, mix it up, and get this little experiment going. I've already got my water in there. We're just gonna put this in there, and mix it up. Now this is the dissolve packet right here. You just stick it down in the water and it dissolves. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit. It'll dissolve here in a little bit. We'll go ahead and set this up and set this other one up. Got the girls' bikes. But what I'm going to do with this strip, I'm going to hang it from the bottom of this deep. So we're just going to hang that one and set this one on the ground with the lid open. And that bait should attract them. We'll see which one's the winner when we come back. What's up, guys? Hey, I'm back at the house. It's been like 2.5 hours. Let's take a look at these fly traps. I said before, I'd like to do like, I don't know, a day or so on these traps, but there's a bunch on here on just the traditional hanger ones. And this one, there's not as much in here as I'd like to see. But you can see all the flies everywhere else. So, the winner is this one in a 2-hour runoff. You can see there's some trapped in there, but nothing like I was expecting. So the results are in. You guys seeing the traditional sticky trap is actually working better in the short term. In the long run, I'm hoping that trap down there works the best because it's a lot bigger, and I've seen videos of like thousands of flies getting in there, and we got hundreds of flies on the porch just swarming everywhere. So we need to. I'm trying to catch them out here to prevent them from going inside. I got some of them stringy traps in the house too. We've caught a lot of flies. I mean, it's just a bad year for flies. You guys having a bad year for flies too? Leave me a comment down below if you are. Tell me what you guys are doing. Probably doing the same thing. Put some traps out. Okay, guys. So you've seen it. Hope you guys liked this little quick video of the side-by-side comparison on these traps. The sticky trap's working best so far. All right, guys. Hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click that little bell for notifications. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching, guys.